Everything is difficult until you actually start doing it. Now let's learn how to flat twist our own hair. First of all, you have to get hold of two of your hair in sections. Like you take two parts of your hair and put them in sections. The whole concept of flat twisting is overlapping. So you put one on the other and put one on the other and put one on the other until you end the twist. Yes, I believe that flat twist is like a stepping stone to cornrows. If you know how to cornrow, that's great. If you don't know how to cornrow, learning how to flat twist make it easier to learn how to cornrow. At least that's what helped me. Yes, you have to make sure you practice this consistently, else you are going to forget the whole idea. Even if you are a pro, if you don't practice it, you may forget it at a point in time. So after you overlap, you keep overlapping, make sure that you're holding the hair tight so that it doesn't loosen after a while. Most of the challenges we face is our hair losing after a few moments. So let me know if you'll be trying this flat twist by yourself at home or anywhere. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.